What you want to do is you want to start sorting what you have by size and shape, kind of a thing. So this one's a little bit big, we're going to pull that out. And we're going to try and get as many together as we possibly can. And then we're going to separate them and then start working with that from there. So Kendall's got these all taken care of, so we're going to start off with what she's got going on. So after we have sorted and moved, we're going to start arranging everything for radial symmetry. So if we start taking this and we think about the X and Y axis, you obviously don't have to set it up with this cross and everything on here, but if I start off with this and do it this way, everything's been sorted to the same size, everything's there. So we started off, we've got our 4 base unit. Then I can go in and if I want to, I can work to, we talked about being able to work in 4s and 8s too, right? So everything I've got going on here, since we sorted things out, we know that all we have to do is arrange at this point. So once I figure out how I want to do this, so we just did 4 and 8. Oh, and I might be missing 2 that size. I think we might be able to pull those. So again, we're still in our along our 2 axes, but then I can start taking some of the different shapes and, well, let's do that. Pop those in here. Whoopsie. But if we start doing this, then we can go through, figure out what we want to do and start gluing. So today, when you're posting, I want you to start proving that you understand what this radial symmetry is, which means that all you have to do is just start arranging them on the table in this kind of symmetry and then working from there. And then if you have all of these elements together, you can start pulling this and then you can even start gluing if you want to. Once we get everything together and all glued up and we used all of our 32 elements, because that's what the assignment was, we're going to take and to a glue and water solution, brush that over the top of it. It'll make it all hard and make it like a cute little ornament. You can be able to hang this from the tree. So once you get all of your stuff rolled out and figured out, start arranging it so that it's in the same size, same shape, same kind of tightness and things like that. Sometimes that even makes a difference. Then we can start to lay it out, and if you just take and you put a little bit of glue, like the tiniest little bit of glue in between all of these, pop them together, they'll stay. And then we'll put it on a tray, brush the glue and water over it, and we'll be all set after that. So don't forget 32 elements, start on your base of 4, and then once you finish that, we'll do a 3 axes where you do your 6 base. Are you on 4 or 6? Okay, so that's what we're doing today.